Guys, I'm cooking coconut rice, quick coconut rice with some mackerel fish. Just a simple lunch for the family. How you all doing, guys? I hope you are all fine. So here I've got my coconut milk, scotch bonnet. You can see it's roughly blended, onion, crayfish, and just small tomato. I have my seasoning inside, salt, and that's it. My washed rice, my mackerel. Cover and allow everything to cook together. Our coconut rice is ready, guys. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Would you give this a try? This is really yummy. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.